Hello, magandang umaga mga katrops. Ito mga katropa natin, mga kaibigan natin. Shout out mga buddy. Oh, good see you. Oh. Sa roleplay, tingnan nyo mamaya.
She might cause some regard. Good sir, thank you so much for your help. If it wasn't for your presence, sir, I would be in trouble or in worst cases, I would be dead. I know. Thank you so much.
Especially in the evening, because theft is prevalent. Due to the situation, the paramedic officer Hey, who are you? Why are you here? Go away! Go!
After release naman, release.
After 3 days, the officers came back and they told the residents of the area and the residents were
Itsura sa video.
Now you leave the necessary force to drive you out the area. Please understand and leave the vicinity.
Hey! We won't gonna live here!
You are overspeeding, sir, and where's your license and registration, sir? And you are Kacharo, and this is your first time to be right, sir, ma'am? Yes, sir. First time, and I am very good working. That's why I'm wasting there. So if you don't want to be ticket, you need to pay. Hey! Mr. Mandala, we are asking for money. It's not part of our duty, you know? No. This is your last chance. If you do it again, I will force you out and fight against you.
Goods from the warehouse breaking last night. He is our prime suspect.
Did you obtain a warrant for the search, officer?
No, Chief, I do not have the time. The evidence is right there.
Officer, we can't bypass legal procedure. It jeopardizes the case and violate the suspect rights.
Everyone saw him leaving the scene.
We have to do things by the book, officer. Let's hope this will be okay during the proceeding.
Officer Zaxel, I appreciate your effort maintaining the judicial process.
Your Honor, we value your guidance. It is crucial that we work together to ensure justice is served fairly and responsibly.
upholding the law and order, but respecting the boundaries of our roads is paramount.